Blind buy na naman. Let's go. Hindi na natapos ang blind buy guys. By the way, blind buy tayo. This is, I got this from Dubai Baliwag siya. No? Matagal ko na actually gusto to kasi sobrang gusto ko yung presentation. At the same time, these are dupes ng Manish fragrances. No? So we have here Spectre and Spectre Ghost. Now, since dalawa to guys, hati ko sa dalawang part. So today, unahin natin ang box. So pinakinantay ko, which is Spectre. Wait. Buksan natin. So, ito na nga siya guys. Man, look. Tingnan mo yung details niyan, pre. May bala, no? May kita mo may bala. Pagka bubuksan mo siya, alam ko is pagka. Yan ang details, bro. Yan ang details, bro. Ito ang sinasabi ko, yan na-addict ako sa Middle Eastern fragrance. By the way, Spectre Ray from French Avenue. This is a dupe of Kilian Black Phantom. If you're watching my videos, you know that I love dark scents. This could be my next dark scent na, I don't know, makapatado nyo na yung Noir de Noir na. So anyway, kung wala pang pambili ng Black Phantom, settle muna tayo dito. So, let's go. And amoy na natin ito. And please, kasi grabe yung details nito. Okay, dito na. Spray ko muna sa air. 1, 2, okay, 3, pressurize. Kami yung Sundance. Kaamoy niya yung Sundance na yun. Alam niyo yung top 1 ko ang Sundance sa Cotidiano guys. And kaamoy niya to. Ayan yung Sun Venom, which is yung Sundance inspired ng Cotidiano. I-spray ko para lang maside by side ko kasi kaamoy niya. Which is weird kasi that's a totally different fragrance. Pero sobrang dapit mo. From 85% I would say. Pero ano, ito dito yung isa. Pasensya na lang guys, iniglis ko talaga to. Ayan. Spectre Ray. Hindi na sayang ng pera ko. Ito yung trail ng mga blind buyers guys. Okay, yun na. So, ang pinagkaiba lang nila is leaning gourmand talaga si San Venom. Leaning gourmand siya. This is an weird heavy scent profile. Hindi ko alam kung saan nagagaling kasi hindi ko tinitignan yung notes, no? The same how it smells like. It's chocolatey. Yan, dun yung pagka-chocolate. Pero meron talagang something na dark, but it's not bothering. Actually, ang sarap ng pagka-gourmand niya. No? Yeah, mas sweet lang ng konting-konti. Mas sweet lang sa San Venom. Around 85%, I'm telling you. Try to buy this and buy this, you would know what I'm talking about. So, sa totoo lang guys, I'm expecting something else out from this fragrance, to be honest. I'm not saying that I'm disappointed, I'm actually happy sa pinalabasan nito. Yes, I do love dark scents. I was expecting something of a Noir de Noir vibe, something of a Black Orchid vibe. This is a totally different scent profile from what I'm expecting. Yung pagka-dark nito, hindi mo na halos mapapansin. It's just a hint. It's just a hint. Kung masabi ko, ang sarap na ito. Scent nito guys. That's it. I would choose this over SWYI and change my mind. Man, so, you like Sundance, try this one out. Spectre Ray, 10 out of 10. No.